Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the collapsible storage bins, a versatile and modern solution for all your organizational needs. These stackable and collapsible bins offer a generous 92-quart capacity each, making them perfect for maximizing space in your home or office. With a unique 5-door design, you can easily access your items from the top or front, while the transparent construction lets you find what you need at a glance. The bins are equipped with 4 wheels for effortless mobility, and their durable PP material ensures long-lasting use. Plus, the freshener slot on top keeps your items dry and fragrant, adding a touch of freshness to your storage. Whether you're organizing your closet, storing dog food, or even using them as a coffee table or stool, these bins are as functional as they are stylish. So, if you're looking for a reliable and space-saving storage solution, these collapsible bins are a must-have addition to your home or office. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.